In today's digital 9 to 5 exit strategy video, let's talk about advertising and building your email subscribers list. Advertising is what digital marketers do to get customers through the front doors of their stores. And marketing is what digital marketers do once those customers are inside. Newsflash: people don't buy products, they buy solutions. When we advertise and direct our focus on the benefits of how our products and services can solve problems and bring our customers closer to achieving their advertising and list building goals, we can advertise and build bigger email lists in the process. The Tripwired funded proposal funnel is a strategy built around 3 seven-figure earners who have mastered the art of advertising, lead generation, and list building. Inside of the Tripwired funded proposal funnel, you unlock each of these seven-figure earners' expertise, training, and evergreen list building techniques. Replicatable, Tripwired lead magnets and funnels, while earning handsome funded proposed affiliate commissions, sharing them with other affiliate marketers who want to generate more ad traffic leads and conversions for their affiliate offers. Watch through the videos inside of this funnel to learn how to add the Tripwired funded proposal to your ad traffic list building strategy today.